Hello and welcome to PowerShell Learning Zone, brought to you by me, your instructor Alex Headley. And in this tech help video we're going to run through how to create a file or a folder using PowerShell. So we're going to use a new commandlet today called new item. And as you can expect, this creates a new item in your OS. So if we jump to MS Learn, we can see that there's some documentation, and I'll stick this in the show notes. The new item command creates a new item, as you'd probably guess, and has a number of different parameters that we can use. So the first thing we're going to do is set a folder that we want this file to be created. I'm going to say dot for the current folder just to make it a bit easier, but you could pass anywhere on your file location that you've got rights to. The next property is the name, so we'll call this test file.txt. The next thing is item type, so as the intro suggested, we're going to create both files and folders or directories, so we'll put item type there, item file, and then the most important bit, the value, so this is content for the file. So we'll save that, we shall run it, and you can see that it outputs, it's written a file, what time it wrote it, and the name. And then if we jump to test file, we can see that this is the content for the file. So this can be really useful when you're creating log files for your applications, or you're needing to output some computation that you've done. You might be creating a CSV with some new data in it. So this is how you create the file, and you can use it in conjunction with the last video that I did, which was get content. So you could read in the content of the file and then add to it. The next thing we're going to do is create a folder. So again, new item, we'll do it in the same directory. The name, we'll call it log files, or whatever you want to call it, and then the item type we want as directory. We'll save that, comment out the last command we did, and run it. And as you can see, it's output the directory, and we can see a new folder in our current folder. And then you can add files to that however you wish. So you could add the test file to there instead. You could move some files that you're downloading from the internet and then work on them in there. But this is a very quick video on how to create a file and a folder. Thanks very much, and see you next time.